Is CapCut showing storage warnings or slowing down during edits? Yeah, that usually means your cache is overflowing. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to clear CapCut cache and fix the overflow problem so your app runs smoothly again. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Once it loads, look for the Settings option. On mobile, you'll usually find it in the top right corner. On desktop, check the Menu or Preferences area. Next, inside Settings, scroll until you see Cache, Storage, or Free Up Space. The exact name can vary a bit, but you're looking for anything related to cache files. Now tap or click Clear Cache. CapCut will remove temporary files that build up over time. Don't worry. This will not delete your projects. If your storage is still tight, go back to the main screen and review your drafts. Delete any old or unused projects you don't need anymore. This can free up a lot of space. After clearing the cache, close CapCut completely and reopen it. This helps the app refresh and apply the cleanup properly. To prevent cache overflow in the future, try clearing cache every few weeks, especially if you edit in 4K or use lots of effects. Yeah, regular cleanup keeps CapCut running fast, and that's it. Your CapCut cache overflow problem should now be fixed. If the app still feels slow, consider updating CapCut or freeing up more device storage. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.